Are you tired of trying to add a portfolio in Elementor only to hit the upgrade wall? Learn the exact clicks to unlock the dynamic portfolio grid in under 4 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks, from editing your homepage to upgrading to Pro, so you can get that portfolio grid live. First, go to the homepage and click Edit with Elementor to launch the builder.
Then, click on Pro to open that menu.
Click on Pro once more to dive deeper. Now, select Portfolio from the options.
Then, click on Upgrade to build dynamic portfolio grids with interactive category filtering and engaging hover effects. Finally, hit Upgrade Now to confirm, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.